How to fix Marvel Rivals high ping and packet loss. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Marvel Rivals high ping and packet loss. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is that right click on Marvel Rivals on your Steam account and click on installed files, and then at the top right you'll be able to see browse. So just click on browse and then find Marvel Rivals among those lists. And then what you need to do is right click on Marvel Rivals and click on properties. Then click on compatibility among the options at the top and make sure that the checkboxes disable full screen and run the program as an administrator are checked. If they are not, just make sure to check them and restart your Marvel Rivals and check if the issue has been resolved. But however, if the issue is still there, then you need to perform some steps on your Windows. So for that, first thing you can do is go to the search bar of your Windows and search for the firewall and network protection, and you need to allow the app through the firewall. So just click on allow an app through firewall and navigate the list to find Marvel Rivals. And once you find the Marvel Rivals, just make sure that both the private and public checkboxes are checked. If they're not, then you can just check them, because it might be issue of this. That then click on change settings and click on OK, and then restart your Marvel Rivals. However, if the issue has not been resolved and if it is still over there, then there is also another way you can do is go to the search bar again and search for view network connections, and select the network which you're using right now and right click on it, click on properties, and here then click on internet protocol, and the preferred DNS server needs to be 888 and the alternate DNS server needs to be 8844. Just type that down and click on OK and check if the issue has been resolved. But however, if the issue is still there, you can go to the search bar again and search for CMD, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator, and here you need to type down two commands. First is ipconfig space /flush DNS and click on enter, and the second is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. And after that, you need to restart your PC. After that, when you turn on your game, your issue would be resolved. But however, if the issue is still there, you can go to search bar again and search for network reset. And after that, you can just click on this button that says reset now, and your PC would be restarted and also your network settings. So these are a couple of ways by which you can fix the issue of high ping in Marvel Rivals. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.